Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vegan protein shake. First, select your liquid base to create the perfect foundation. An unsweetened plant-based milk, like almond, soy, or oat, adds a wonderful creamy texture and extra nutrients. You will need about 1 cup of liquid to begin with, ensuring a smooth, blendable consistency. If you prefer a lighter shake, opt for filtered water or refreshing coconut water instead. This initial choice truly sets the stage for your shake. Next, we add the star ingredient, your vegan protein powder. There are many excellent choices available, including pea protein, brown rice protein, or a balanced blend. These plant-based options provide essential amino acids without any animal products. Aim for 1 scoop, or approximately 20 to 25 grams of protein, to fuel your body effectively. Always read the label carefully to ensure it contains minimal processed ingredients and no unnecessary sweeteners. This boosts your shake's nutritional value significantly. Now, it is time to elevate the flavor and nutritional profile with fruits and greens. Toss in about 1/2 cup of your favorite frozen berries, a small banana, or even a few slices of mango for natural sweetness and antioxidants. For an extra nutrient kick, a handful of spinach or kale blends seamlessly without changing the taste. Don't forget healthy fats. Add 1 tablespoon of almond butter or some chia or flax seeds for omega-3 fatty acids and satiety. These additions make your shake both delicious and highly nutritious. To achieve your desired texture and sweetness, fine-tune your additions. For a thicker, more satisfying shake, try adding 1/4 cup of rolled oats or 1/2 of a small avocado. If you prefer a sweeter profile, blend in 1 or 2 pitted medjool dates, a teaspoon of maple syrup, or a few drops of liquid stevia. A pinch of cinnamon or a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract can also significantly enhance the flavor. These small adjustments customize your shake perfectly to your preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.